Hi all, this is your Professor Ian. This is just a short video about essay feedback that I'm giving you on your first essays. I'm partway through, about halfway through the essays. I'll be done by this Sunday. And I just thought this would be a good time to give you a little overview of the feedback that I'm giving you. So here is the 1A side. I'm in the student view, so it looks closer to what yours would look like on a laptop. So if I'm, this is my test student, so test student, if I come into grades, I can find my assignment. Come down here to essay number 1, code switching. If I click on this, you can see my grade there on that last page. But if I come here, I can get to the actual feedback that has been left. You can see, I can press here, I can see the rubric, and it'll have your grade in there. See if I can, oh, I can't move over there right now. But I need to put in there. I think it's covered up by this button down here. Anyways, you can go to, if you scroll to the right, you'll see the grade you got in each of these categories. I use usually 10 categories, each one out of 1 mark to add up to 10. So each category is worth 10% of the grade. And so you can see what you got. That's one way I give feedback through the rubric. Another way, what you're going to see, let me get rid of the rubric. You will have a video with some feedback. There will be a link to a video. I'm leaving video feedback for these papers, so you can see that. Also, maybe I need to go back out here. Hold on one second. Student view on this is not great. Let's go back in here. So that's where you see the rubric. There should also be a video here for you that you can watch, a short video where I give you a breakdown of your paper, my assessment. If you click on here, view feedback, this will open up the paper itself, okay? So this is the paper I submitted as a test student, and you can see that I have left feedback on this sample paper in here. It's kind of like, like some of the track changes kind of programs for Word or Adobe or whatnot. So, I can leave comments, I can highlight text, I can strike through text. And if you come in here, you can see the very specific feedback that I've left you on the paper. So please do check out all these different feedback methods. I use 3, right? The rubric with a breakdown of your mark in the different categories, a video where I give you a short narrative breakdown of how I assess your paper, and then 3 very specific feedback on the paper itself where I go into, grammar and punctuation things and other larger issues as well. Okay, so that was just a quick look at how I give some feedback. One other thing I wanted to mention is sometimes I'll highlight a sentence or a phrase and I'll write unclear. That means that I can't understand what's trying to be said in that phrase or sentence. Sometimes I'll highlight a phrase or sentence and I'll write awkward phrasing. That means I understand what's being said, but it needs to be reworked because it's not quite the best way to say what you're trying to say. And there's no easy fix for it. Sometimes I'll just cross out a word or replace a word or two. But if I write awkward phrasing, it means the whole section should be rewritten. Anyways, that's about it for now. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your week.